I'm so excited. My new fridge is here, but it's not the color I wanted. I had a lot of expectations for this fridge. This is the very first fridge me and my husband have actually bought. Every house we have moved into has already had one. So the things that were super important to me is it had no handles. The ice and the water is not on the outside. It had French doors at the top and freezer at the bottom and a lot of space inside. I really wanted it to stay black, but I fell in love with this refrigerator. This is the Samsung Bespoke 3-door refrigerator. This refrigerator literally had everything checked on my list except the color. But the cool thing about this refrigerator is that I can change the front panels to whatever color I want and to a glass instead of a stainless steel, which I absolutely love. And while it's not the color I wanted it to be today, I have the option to change it. So husband, if you're listening, kiss, kiss, because this is on my Christmas list. I guess I need to go grocery shopping now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.